Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the start page in the Musi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three dots at the bottom of the page on the right. Then click on the settings button. And at the default start page section, just click on the button. And as you can see, you can set the search platform, the playlists, and your favorites as a start page. So just click on whichever you want, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.